Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even create. Could they surpass us? Could they replace us? Today we confront a question that could redefine humanity itself. Can AI replace us? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. From performing simple tasks to solving complex problems, AI has rapidly evolved. Think of Siri, self-driving cars, or even ChatGPT. All are examples of how AI is becoming integrated into our lives. But AI isn't just about robots and voice assistants. It encompasses machine learning, natural language processing, and neural networks that mimic human thought. It's a tool that can analyze data, predict outcomes, and even create art. Now let's address the elephant in the room: jobs. AI has already replaced humans in certain industries. For instance, chatbots are taking over customer service roles. Automated checkout systems are reducing the need for cashiers, and algorithms are handling tasks like data entry and even financial trading. According to studies, up to 40% of jobs could be impacted by automation in the next 2 decades. But does this mean a total replacement of human workers? The short answer is not entirely. While AI excels at tasks that involve repetitive actions or massive data processing, it struggles with creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. For example, while AI can generate music, it lacks the emotional depth that a human composer brings to their art. Moreover, ethical and moral considerations still require human judgment. Would you trust an AI to decide a court case or manage an international crisis? These are areas where human intuition and empathy are irreplaceable. It's not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating jobs and opportunities. From AI trainers and data analysts to roles in AI ethics and governance, the rise of AI is spawning new industries. Businesses are leveraging AI to improve efficiency, while educators are using it to personalize learning. Even doctors are working alongside AI to diagnose diseases more accurately. Instead of replacing humans, AI often acts as a powerful assistant. So how can we prepare for an AI-driven future? The key lies in adaptability. Learning new skills, focusing on creativity, and understanding how to collaborate with AI are crucial. Think of it as working with a teammate who's incredibly smart but still needs human guidance. Governments and organizations also need to step up. Policies must ensure fair AI implementation, ethical use, and support for workers transitioning to new roles. In conclusion, AI isn't here to replace humanity, but to redefine how we work and live. While some roles will change or disappear, others will emerge, giving us the chance to focus on what makes us truly human: creativity, empathy, and innovation.